minus 10 plus 10 times 2 divided by 2, and minus 10 plus 10 times 2 divided by 2, minus 10 plus 10, which gives 0, and 0 times 2 divided by 2, that is 0 times 2, that is 0 by 2, which equals to 0. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is not the right answer. And if you found the right answer, then comment your answer to get featured in this shortcut list. I will give a shortcut. You will follow here the PEMDAS simple math, nothing else. Okay, so we will rewrite our question here. 10 plus 10 times 2 divided by 2. So we will first solve this numerator part. We will rewrite minus 10 plus 10 times 2. So here are actually, we can say, two operations. We can assume this as only the value, okay, that is negative value. So we can see there are two operations, that is addition and multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, parenthesis exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, first preference will be given to multiplication, then addition. So we will first multiply this. So we will write minus 10 plus 10 times 2, which equals to 20, and minus 10 plus 20, which equals to plus 10. Okay, so again we will put the value plus 10 plus divided by 2, and when we solve this, 10 divided by 2, we will get answer 5. Okay, so right answer is 5, and must check out these two videos which I have suggested here, and try to solve these videos and comment your answer, and like this video and subscribe my channel if you found this video entertaining, or you can say informational. Like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.